Hi everybody. When you create an ad on Meta, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right audience. Who should you target? The answer to this question can mean the difference between success and failure for your ad campaign. But it can also be overwhelming. Should you focus on a specific group of people, or is it better to keep it broad? Meta Ads Manager has a powerful set of tools that can help you target the right audience. And today, we'll go through how you can do this step by step. First, let's talk about the default method of targeting in Meta Ads Manager, called Advantage plus Audience. This feature was introduced in late 2023 and uses machine learning to optimize your ad delivery. The beauty of Advantage plus Audience is that any audience targeting you provide is optional. If you don't give Meta specific suggestions for your audience, the system will prioritize conversion data, pixel history, and prior engagement with your ads. This means that Meta's algorithm will automatically focus on the audience most likely to take the action you want, based on past behavior and interaction with your ads. If you do provide audience suggestions, Meta will take those into account, but will still prioritize what it thinks will get the best results. You also have the option to provide specific targeting constraints. For example, you can limit where your ads are shown, such as targeting people only within a certain location. You can also set the minimum age for your audience, exclude specific custom audiences, or choose languages. These constraints are the only hard limits Meta will apply when delivering your ad. Any other audience inputs, such as custom audiences, detailed targeting, or age and gender specifications, will be treated as suggestions. Now, if you want to switch back to the old way of targeting, you can use the original audiences option. But you should note that Meta will warn you that going back to this older method might not lead to better results. So, it's worth considering whether you want to stick with Advantage plus Audience, which leverages machine learning for better optimization. Next, let's dive into custom audiences, which is a key part of targeting in Meta Ads Manager. Custom audiences are groups of people who have interacted with your business in some way. This can include website visitors, people who have engaged with your content, or even those on your email list. Custom audiences allow you to target people who are already familiar with your brand, making it easier to drive conversions. There are several types of custom audiences that you can use to refine your targeting. Website custom audience allows you to target people who have visited your website. If you have the Metapixel or the Conversions API set up, you can create audiences based on specific actions taken on your website. For example, you can target people who visited a specific page or those who spent a certain amount of time on your site. Customer List Audience lets you upload a list of your customers' names, email addresses, phone numbers, or physical addresses. Meta will then match this list to its users, allowing you to target those people directly. App Activity Audience is for people who have interacted with your mobile app. If your app has user engagement data, you can create an audience based on how people have used your app. Catalog Audience works if you have a product catalog. You can segment people who have engaged with it, such as those who have viewed specific products or added them to their cart. You can also exclude specific audiences from your targeting. This is useful if you want to make sure you're not showing your ad to people who have already purchased a product or completed a specific action. For example, if you're promoting a product that cannot be bought twice, excluding people who have already purchased it will help you avoid wasting ad spend.